Welcome back, car enthusiasts and detail lovers. Today, we're diving into something that can transform your ride's appearance and protect your future adventures: the best CR glass cleaner. Imagine driving down the highway with crystal clear visibility, feeling like you're in a brand new car. We're about to reveal the top products guaranteed to give your windows that sparkling shine. From streak-free technology to eco-friendly formulas, we've got it all covered. Stick around as we test these cleaners in real time and share pro tips to achieve that showroom finish. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more amazing car care tips. Let's get started. Number 5. Adams Glass Cleaner, the ultimate solution for achieving crystal clear car windows. Rated 4.6 on Amazon. This all-natural, streak-free formula is perfect for both tinted and non-tinted glass. Adams has taken their beloved glass cleaner to the next level with a new and improved formula, leveraging advanced polymer technology to deliver impressive cleaning results without harmful chemicals. Whether you're dealing with fingerprints or haze, it effortlessly eliminates dirt, leaving your glass sparkling clean. This eco-friendly cleaner is safe for the environment, kids, and pets, so you can use it worry-free both inside and outside your vehicle. Plus, it's not just for your car. Use it on navigation screens, TVs, smartphones, and more around your home for optimal results. Pair it with an Adams microfiber glass cleaning towel for a flawless finish every time. Experience the difference with the best car glass cleaner on the market, Adams Glass Cleaner. Number 4. Driven Extreme Duty Glass Cleaner, your go-to solution for achieving crystal clear car windows. This exceptional gel formula is infused with a refreshing mint scent, making your cleaning experience not only effective but also enjoyable. Designed specifically for removing severe hard water spots, it tackles even the toughest calcium and mineral buildups with ease. Say goodbye to heavy lime scale, salt spray deposits, and annoying rust residues. The Driven Extreme Duty Glass Cleaner is a powerhouse in car care, ensuring your windows sparkle like never before. With an impressive 4.3 Amazon rating, it's no wonder this product is hailed as the best car glass cleaner on the market. Whether you're prepping for a road trip or just looking to maintain your vehicle's pristine look, Driven delivers the best results every time. Experience clear visibility and an unmatched shine. Your car deserves it. Number 3. Invisible Glass 91164-2 PK 19-ounce Foam Cleaner. This top-selling cleaner is designed to provide a brilliant, streak-free shine that will leave your glass surfaces looking like new. With its deep cleansing foam action, it effortlessly removes road grease, grime, fingerprints, salt, and mud, making your glass virtually invisible. What sets this cleaner apart is its residue-free formula. No soaps, scents, or dyes here. It's safe for all glass surfaces, including tinted windows. And it's even ammonia-free. Proudly made in the USA with high-quality ingredients, Invisible Glass ensures unmatched performance that you can trust. With an impressive Amazon customer rating of 4.6. It's no surprise that this product is recognized as the best CR glass cleaner on the market. Don't settle for less when it comes to cleaning your glass. Try Invisible Glass today for a spotless shine. Number 2. Kochami Glass Cleaner is your go-to solution for maintaining spotless surfaces. This ready-to-use cleaner effectively removes stubborn dirt, oil, grease, insects, and residue from various surfaces, including windows, mirrors, and tiles. With its exceptional streak-free formula, you can enjoy a crystal-clear shine without the hassle. What sets it apart is its gloss and smoothness additive, which enhances the wiping effect and ensures a polished finish every time. Not only does it work wonders on vehicles, but it's also safe for use on buildings and homes. Plus, it has a refreshing scent that leaves your space smelling clean and inviting. Trusted by experts since 1968, Kachemi stands for high-quality cleaning solutions, with an impressive Amazon customer rating of 4.7. It's no wonder this product is celebrated as the best CAR glass cleaner. Experience the brilliance of streak-free clarity and elevate your cleaning routine with KOCH-CHEMI. Number 1. Chemical Guy's CLD 30016 streak-free glass and window cleaner is the ultimate solution for achieving a crystal-clear finish on all your glass surfaces. This ammonia-free formula is not only safe for tinted windows, but it also provides a streak-free shine that leaves no residue. With its powerful cleaning action, it effortlessly removes dirt, dust, fingerprints, grease, and grime, giving you a truly clean experience. Thanks to its anti-static agents, your surfaces will resist dust buildup, staying cleaner longer. This versatile cleaner is perfect for cars, trucks, homes, and offices, making it a suitable choice for all glass surfaces, including mirrors, screens, and lenses. Rated 4.5 stars on Amazon. Chemical Guy's streak-free glass cleaner is, without a doubt, the best CR glass cleaner you can find, whether you're cleaning your vehicle or beautifying your home. This product delivers professional quality results that anyone can achieve. In conclusion, a top-quality car glass cleaner can make a significant difference in your vehicle's appearance and safety. Remember to choose one that suits your needs and follow proper cleaning techniques for the best results. With a clear view, you'll enjoy a safer and more pleasant driving experience. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment below. Share your own tips and favorites in the comments. Happy cleaning!